Have you been doing this? When you should be doing this. My name is Jasper, and I want to share with you on how you can fast track of joining text in Google Sheets. There are 4 ways to combine text in Google Sheets. First is using the ampersand symbol. It is this symbol that is found on top of number 7. And to use it is very straightforward. All you have to do is enter the equal sign to initiate the function, select the first cell, add the ampersand symbol, then select the second cell. Now, as you can see, it immediately combined those 2 texts, but I think we can do better. Let's add a space in between. There. So that is how we use the ampersand symbol. The second way to combine 2 texts is using a function called concatenate. And this is how we use this function. Equal, concatenate. We select the first cell, followed by a separator, that is a comma. Then we put a space. Remember, we need a space to combine the first and last name, a comma, and then the last name. Close parentheses and press on enter. So that is basically how concatenate works. And let me just fill this down. As you can see, the first name has been combined with the last name. The third way to join text is using a function called join. And this is how you use it. It's very simple. We use equal sign, join, choose the delimiter. In this particular case, it's a space, comma, the first text, comma, the second text, and close parentheses. Then if we fill this down, the first text has been combined with the second text. The last way to combine text is using a function called textjoin. And textjoin uses 4 parameters. The first is the delimiter, which is in this particular example, we will use space. The second is ignore empty. Does the textjoin function ignore empty cells or not? In this particular case, let's just use true. And we want to combine the first, comma, the second. Close parentheses, and there you have it. And we fill this down. So the first text has been combined with the second text. Awesome, right? These are the 4 ways to combine text in Google Sheets. By the way, these functions also work with Microsoft Excel with the exception of the function join. I hope you have learned something today, and if you did, please don't forget to like and share this video so others may learn as well. If you have questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to comment below. This is Jasper from Right Job Solutions. Thank you and see you on the next video.